Hey team, welcome back to my channel. The software for this video is available on my GitHub account, github.com/softwarenuggets. Go to the repository Rust Shorts, scroll down until you see traits RS. There's the source code for this project. As you can see, I'm in the website mycompiler.io. I'm using the programming language Rust. Let's write a small program to understand how Rust traits are used. On line 2 to 5, you can see we have a trait called shape. This trait acts like a contract, much like an interface in the C# programming language. Now this trait specifies that any type implementing it must provide the calculating functions area and display. That's exactly what an interface is in C#. So here is our interface. In Rust, we call that trait. On lines 7 to 11, here you can see we're defining a structure named rectangle with two fields, width and height, both of type F64. On lines 13 to 22, this line tells Rust we are going to implement the shape trait for the rectangle type. So shape is our trait and rectangle is our struct. Now allowing rectangle to be used by the shape trait, we have to implement the two methods. And here you can see area and display. Notice that I have commented out the display method. Now it appears as if I have not fulfilled the contract, the trait. Display has not been implemented. If I were to try to run this, I get the error, not all traits implemented. Does not support the trait. Needs two methods. Now you can see I have taken the comments away, recompiled the program, ran it, and the output is now 28 7 times 4. Let us dive into the main function. Now on line 21, that statement can be very complicated, so I broke it down into 3 lines. Now on line 1, we are saying rectangle width 7, height 4. Now all this is doing is creating a rectangle. The width is 7 and the height is 4. So this part all done. Then you can see box new with that same statement on line 23 inside of the new. Here we are putting the rectangle inside a box. A box is like a container that lets us put our shape onto the heap, which is just a region of memory. This is important for how Rust handles different types of shapes. Now on line 25, here we're declaring a variable called myShape. The colon that follows tells Rust what type myShape is. In this case, it's a box containing something that implements the shape trait. I hope that's clear. And then you can see that we're using our two methods, area and display, and the output is over here, and we're all done. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them below in the comments section. If you learned a thing or two, please consider giving this video a thumbs up.